Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries and organist at the church. On Sunday, September 12th, we're going to be singing 3 hymns with very different but interesting backgrounds. The first hymn is Here I Am, Lord, and most people seem to like that, especially in our church. By the time I get to the last verse, people are singing at the tops of their lungs, and I'm gotta watch the roof doesn't lift high. That would be kind of cool. The second hymn is Lift High the Cross, which was written in commemoration of Constantine's conversion to Christianity, when supposedly he had a dream that he saw a cross in the sky with the words in Latin printed on it, "With this cross you shall conquer." Very interesting. The last hymn is Leaning on the Everlasting Arms. Some hymn books, including ours, title this hymn, What a Fellowship. Now, the words were written by a music teacher in Alabama who had heard from some of his previous students that a letter that he got from each of these students that they had lost their wives. Both of these young men had lost their wives. So he was trying to find a verse in the Bible that would console them. So he wrote to them, leaning, safe and secure in all alarms, leaning on the everlasting arms. He decided to send this refrain to his friend Elijah Hoffman, Reverend Elijah Hoffman, in a little state called Pennsylvania, you might have heard of it, who added verses to this beautiful hymn. So when he got the verses back, Showalter, that is the guy who wrote the refrain, he put music to it. Now, this has been done a lot of ways. Even I, at St. Paul's, I have played it very straight, very rhythmic. I've also added a little jazz into it every now and then. I want you to hear something. This is going to be Buddy Green, and some of you may know him as a composer, an excellent guitarist, an excellent harmonicist, I guess you would call it, harmonica player. He wrote a song called Mary Did You Know, which we all know that. I want you to hear Buddy's version of this, especially at the beginning. This is Buddy Green playing. Good pianist. And here we go. Remember to tune in on Facebook Sunday morning, 9:30 a.m., St. Paul Lutheran Church, downtown Sarasota, Florida, or come and see us live. Thanks for listening.